Welcome to this tutorial on displaying posts from a specific category on WordPress using the query loop. In this video guide, you will learn how to successfully log into your WordPress site and organize your posts so that the query loop displays only the content you want. We begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to your WordPress website. As soon as the home page loads, focus on the upper right corner where you will find a login option. Clicking on this login prompt opens the door to accessing your site's administrative features. Once you click on the login option, you will be presented with several sign-in choices. For a fast and convenient process, select the option that lets you continue with your Google account. This method simplifies the login process and leverages your existing account credentials. After opting for the Google sign-in, you should see a list of available accounts if more than one is signed in on your browser. Choose the account you want to use for accessing WordPress. This selection completes the login sequence smoothly and swiftly, and you are now ready to access the WordPress dashboard. After you have successfully logged in, shift your focus to the management area for your posts. In the dashboard, locate the section that displays all your posts. This area is central to editing and managing your website content. Once you are in the post section, focus on the post that you want to edit. WordPress provides a handy feature called Quick Edit that allows you to make rapid adjustments without leaving the overview screen. Click on Quick Edit to reveal additional settings for that particular post. Within the Quick Edit panel, scroll down until you see the Categories option. Categories play a key role in organizing your content and ensuring that posts are grouped logically. Here you will need to select the specific category that you want this post to belong to. Making an accurate category choice is very important because it determines how the query loop will later filter and display your posts. Make your selection carefully, ensuring that it aligns with the content of your post and your overall site structure. Before finalizing your changes, verify that the status of your post is correctly set to published. Keeping your post in the published state is essential if you want it to be visible on the front end of your website when the query loop retrieves posts by category. With everything in place, locate the Update button. Clicking Update saves all of your changes to the post, ensuring that the new category selection is applied and that your post remains published. By following these steps, you have effectively organized your content within WordPress. This method not only streamlines the process of updating your posts, but also ensures that only the posts belonging to your selected category are displayed when using the query loop. The process, from logging in using your Google account, accessing the post section, utilizing the quick edit feature, selecting the proper category, confirming publication status, to updating your changes, ensures a smooth and efficient content management experience. Enjoy harnessing the full potential of WordPress organization with this guide.